welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it is Vlogmas. I'm really proud of myself to even make it so you guys just go with the hype. Just go with me, okay? Go with me. Look, I'm telling you, putting that paper on that table, that contact paper, you guys, I can't even. It was so stressful. So doing that contact paper on the table, I literally thought it was going to be as easy as it looked on other YouTube videos. But I hope where I show you, you can see that it's not easy, but it can be done. It's not being easy doesn't mean it can't be done. Definitely can be done, and I mean, it looked so fantastic after. I'm so glad I decided to change the table, you know, because if I left it that ugly ass gray that it was, oh my goodness, you guys, my kitchen would have just been looking so dreary. So I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. Okay, let's get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So in this video, we are heading to Big Bear.
Switzerland Drive.
Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. We saw the picture online.
Arrived.
Our apartment is literally across from this view, so like literally across. We usually just need to cross the road. So all the cars for ski all parked here. If you look that way, there's ski clothes, ski outfits. But because I'm going skiing for my birthday, in 2 weeks, we didn't ski this trip. A lot of people also didn't know how to ski on this trip. Oh my god! Hit the subscribe button! Hit the subscribe button right here. If it's on your screen and it's flipped, it's here. And don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment. But hit the subscribe button. Thank you. What's this place called again? Okay, Alpine Slide at Midget Mountain. So it's who in Big Bear. Right now we are at the Alpine Slides. Alpine Slides in Magic Mountain. I would say come here. Come early though, because there's like a long ass queue for all the rides. So if you ever do come here, make sure you come here really early so you can get a chance to get all the rides early before they close. We're about to do this one next. It's the Eagle. Sorry, this is not the Eagle. The Eagle is the one over there. And then we're gonna do this one next, which I think is like a go-kart type ride. It's interesting. I'll do a video on it so you guys can see it. Yeah, so far so good. Yesterday was manic with the Airbnb. For the vlog for this is a little choppy because of all the struggles we've had on day one. But day two has been good. We just came from brunch. And now we're just gonna do some rides and have some fun. And then we will get on the rides. So I'll show you that once we do. Okay. Up in the mountains. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at that.
Up in the mountains.
Look at that. So pretty! It's so pretty. Look at that shower.
Oh, wow.
So nice. Gorgeous. Yeah. That little house. Yeah. Oh!
Got a lake right there.
Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. You get given the slide that you have to sit on. And then go
both the same guys, just let this guy know
on the
go
slide.
fast, so give you guys extra room.
Your back hurt, and if I knew that, I would have had you come up. I'm already up here, I'm good.
This is how it works. And you go, and this is the what you use to control it. So I'm going, and it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, I love downtown Chicago.
Yeah, that's my favorite. By far the most beautiful downtown in our nation.
Let me help you. Come on. There you go.
Let's go.
This exactly. It's supposed to go under her. That's what I was saying.
Come on, let's go. Okay.
Where's your first? Hefe, Bolo. Okay. So I'm in. Honestly, I'm wearing the wrong outfit. I'm wearing a skirt or a dress. But luckily it's long enough and big enough for me to like cover my privates. But here I am. Sat comfortably. Hi.
Seatbelt.
Yeah.
I'll get your picture.
Okay. Hey. Okay. So we're in. Dustful, say hello. Hi, baby. Oh. My lens is dirty. So now we're gonna do this. Oh my god, you still haven't hit the subscribe button. Wow. Damn. With all my hard work. Come on. It's the Christmas season. It's my birth month. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Alright, now you can let go of those handlebars. From here to the top is automatic, so you can just relax. Once you get to the top, push all the way forward again, hold them there, okay? Alright. Go.
Okay, so that's real good. Okay, so we're about to start. Ooh, it's going fast already. Oh no, wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. We're at the top. We're at 160 feet. We're at the top. And I think at the end of that, I'm going to have to put my camera away because I need to control it. I'll put it out if I can at some point to show you guys. Let's go. Okay, so we're at the halfway point. I just want to show you what's around me. Snow. And we're just at the halfway point. We used that ride earlier. I showed you guys in the previous clip. And yeah. We're stuck again. I think they stopped us. Apparently someone got stuck in one of the tunnels. So they're trying to get the person out. So in the meantime, we're moving again. In the meantime, you know, they've just been making sure that we're all right, essentially. That's what I'm saying. So now, we're going up. That was that bolo. So our friends are everywhere and they keep popping up in different corners of the ride. So it's so funny. That's Phil. Yeah, it's just hilarious, essentially. So now we're going to the top, and then I'm going to have to put you guys away again. I just want to show you guys the top, the view from the top, just because it's cute and gorge. So yeah. It's so fun. Like, I highly recommend coming to Big Bear and like, if for anything, if for just for this alpine slide, alpine magic mountain, what they call it, it's just great. You know, it's just so much fun, and it's pretty cheap. You know, this ride in particular is the most expensive one. This ride is $20 per person. The previous ride you saw me on was $7. The Eagle ride was 10 or 15, I can't remember. But yeah, so we're at the top. We're about to start moving in a little bit. I'm gonna have to, woo, Anna! That's one of our friends again. So now we're about to, I did this one. That's the one you saw me do, where you can kind of only see my feet. That's what I look like on it. I think I have lashes. I have lashes on. I don't have lashes on. Okay. Yeah, so You see that where the little cabin is? Right here on the rides. That's where I'm going next. I'm gonna put my phone out away right there. Just before it's honest. Right now it's automatic at this point. Because it wants you to go slow because we're about to go fast as fuck. Like that. So once I get to the top, I'm putting my phone away. Alright guys. Hey guys. This is the part of the crew. It's our last day. So sad. Guys.
I know.
So sad. We've had such a great time.
So we're supposed to go horseback riding. And what else?
And right now we're going for breakfast. That's first thing.
First, brunch.
Yeah,
breakfast.
no brunch. And then we're gonna do horseback riding. I think we're gonna go to the lake. We're still going.
I think so. Actually.
So yeah, we have a full day before we head back to LA.
Yes, we do.
So, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Catch you at breakfast, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Honey, hit the subscribe button. Abracadabra. Hit the subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. We're about to head to breakfast. So we were thinking about going to Teddy Bear, but it's so big. It's
And
so
packed,
full.
yeah.
The queue is kind of long. It doesn't make sense.
Really long.
So we're going back to Peppercorn where we had lunch
Lunch
yesterday.
yesterday, yeah.
And the food's really good there.
A1.
So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Okay, guys. Gotcha.
Okay, so we're here
You want this?
having brunch at Peppercorn. We're all ordering different things.
Yes, and we're all having clam chowder.
We're all having clam chowder because apparently it's really good.
It
They
is
tried it yesterday.
delicious.
I didn't, so
It is
we'll see.
delicious.
Yeah. Everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, birthday girl.
Hey. This is the crew.
Hello.
There are small ships and tall ships, and ships that sail the sea. But the best ships are friendships, and may we always be. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Lovely.
Oh, you're gonna love this.
It's better. It tastes better. Okay, so clam chowder to start.
Okay.
I'll do
And some bread on the side.
And that comes with rice and vegetables. Is that cool? Yeah.
So I'm gonna be a little.
Ready to go back? No. We're on our way back to LA, guys. I'm sad. Me too.
But it's time to go, baby.
Time to go back to work. far in the video. I really do appreciate you. You are the real MVP. You are my best friend. It's my birth month and you're giving me birthday presents. Please keep doing this for the rest of the Vlogmas season. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate you. And before I leave, before you leave, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see, what you enjoyed in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely catch you in my next video. By the grace of God, catch you in my next video. Ciao.